In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Shopify, a useful way to give your online store a clean and modern look. If you're interested in customizing your store's appearance, follow along as we take you through the steps in a simple and straightforward manner. Let's begin our journey toward a sleek header by first heading to a resourceful web page. Open your browser and navigate to the pastebin link provided in the description below. Here you'll find a snippet of code that's the backbone of today's task. Go ahead and copy the entire code from this page. This will be what you'll need to implement the transparency effect on your Shopify store's header. Once you've got the code copied, the next step involves your Shopify admin panel. Head over to your Shopify store by logging into your admin account. Once you're in the dashboard, locate and click on Online Store from the menu on the left-hand side. This section is where your store's themes and customizations reside, and it's the center of our operations today. As you're now under the Online Store tab, take a look at the top right corner for 3 dots. This is your gateway to a world of customization. Click on the 3 dots and then select Edit Code. You're now diving into the Code Editor section, where you can make custom changes to your theme's files. In the code editor, find the search field at the top left and type in theme to search for the theme.liquid file. Once the file appears in the search results, click on theme.liquid to open it. This file is crucial as it controls the overall layout of your Shopify site. Scroll down slowly within the theme.liquid file until you see the tag that says body. This is the spot where you'll want to paste the code you copied earlier. Carefully insert the code just above the body tag, which will ensure the changes apply correctly to your header's appearance. After pasting the code, don't forget to save your changes. Look towards the top right corner of the editor and click on the Save button. This crucial step applies your code modifications, making them live on your store. With your changes saved, it's time to take a step back and exit the code editor. Click on the Exit button, which will bring you back to a more familiar Shopify theme customization interface. Finally, click on View Your Store. By doing so, you can see your hard work in action. Visit your Shopify storefront and you'll notice that your header is now stylishly transparent. Congratulations, you've successfully applied a transparent header to your Shopify store, adding that refined touch visitors are sure to appreciate. Feel free to revisit this video if you ever need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your store's design.